Today's video, I sell my luxury bags and accessories, so let's go! Hi guys and welcome back around here. I'm very excited to have you back on this YouTube channel. If you don't know me yet, my name is Margot alias margavalux. I'm 27 years old, 28 soon, and I have my own YouTube channel in French originally for 2 years now, and I opened this English YouTube channel for a few months. And in the same time, I decided to create my own company where I sell luxury bags and designer items, which is called BAM Luxury Store. I'm going to link the website in the description below. You will be able to find these items with the link in the description box below the video. In the meantime, do not hesitate to subscribe to the channel by clicking on the follow button just down here. I'll be super happy to have you on this family. Also, don't hesitate to like the video and comment. If not, still welcome here and happy watching, happy video. Okay, so for the little explanation, all the items are already actually available on the website, so you can buy in credit card or you can contact me directly via Instagram in the comments of this video. I will make you an invoice and you can make a bank transfer. I ship worldwide with UPS or DHL. You can buy without insurance or with insurance for shipping. What else? Yes, we offer Mondial Relais in post. It's like only in Europe and depending on the countries. Otherwise, it's UPS and DHL. Okay, let's go for the first item I want to show you today. We have a full set from Louis Vuitton. So we have the paper bag. We have also the box for this one. Very cute one. I love it. The brown box. It's kind of one of my favorites. We have also the dust bag inside. So this is actually super cool. And we have a compact wallet in monogram canvas. I'm really excited actually about this one because you always love those ones. They go like candies. They sell like very, very fast. So I'm actually very excited. Concerning the condition of the wallet, it's in good condition. I would say it's used. The canvas is in pretty good condition, except for the parts in the corners. Here it's a bit damaged and it starts to be a bit broken, but it's not that a big deal. Anyway, when you open the wallet, you have 4 sections for credit cards. You have 2 over pockets here. The inside is actually in very good condition. You have the pressure button who made like a mark, but it's not that important. And you have a bigger pocket here for example, banknotes, cards, or whatever else you want to put inside. We have a Louis Vuitton Paris. It's a made in USA item, guys, so have a check. But obviously, it's pretty nice. We love it. Pressure button works very fine, so it's cool. And the other nice thing about this wallet is the cone pocket section, which is a bit vintage. I love it. It has a bit of discoloration here, but otherwise, this is in very, very, very good condition inside. And you can put like lots of coins. So this is a very useful wallet. It's a very complete one. This is a compact one. I really advise you to buy this one because it's a full set, even if it's not perfect condition. And the price for this one is 189 euro. I will put also here, I will write the price approximately in USD because depending on the taxes in your country, it can change a little bit. Knowing, guys, that all the prices are taxes including. I know, for example, in the US, you are not used to have including taxes, but we have included taxes, so you don't have to pay taxes in plus, except for customs and duties. Sometimes you have to pay customs, sometimes not, but usually yes. So be prepared in case of, because we ship from Barcelona in Spain in Europe. Okay, what else do okay, I'm gonna go for the Chanel because this is the most exquisite bag. This is a very nice vintage. Okay, this one goes here. So this is a very nice one. I think it's called like a satchel bag, satchel. I'm not sure about what I'm saying, but anyway, this has a very specific style. This is kind of rare to find this one. It's hard to say rare. We say it in French, rare, but in English it's so hard to pronounce it, like rare. I hope I pronounced it well. Anyway, this is rare to find one like this. And this is a black smooth leather, which has a very nice front and a very nice back, also with a very large pocket. So this is such a useful bag. Anyway, the condition is good on this one. Also, this is not a perfect one. This is not an excellent condition. So the logo here is in very good condition. This is a gold hardware. Anyway, the corners are rubbed and a bit damaged, more on this side actually, but otherwise it's actually fine. You will have all the photo on the website, guys. Every description, everything on the website. Even here it's a little bit like rubbed, but less on this part. Otherwise, on the back, it's also rubbed in the corner, but otherwise it's in very, very good condition. This is a normal state, and it can be repaired actually, like easily. Also, something more important I need to warn you about. I'm gonna show you from here. As you can see here, like the top handle is a bit damaged where you have the small metallic parts. It was never repaired again, like it was never repaired by someone else, so it can be repaired at Chanel or to someone else. You can still make the repair. I think it would be nice to make the repair once, then the bag can go for years. I think it's maybe best. It's okay, but it will still need a repair like kind of soon. You can wear the bag with no issue, but we never know. Chanel are sensitive, so it's better if you can repair it. I don't think it's going to be a big cost, and you are going to see the price, which is such a very good price. So when we open the bag, we have also here the Chanel Paris. We have one screw missing here, but it's still like worked very well. It doesn't move, so anyway, this is actually very good. I don't know why it's missing, but sometimes it is. It happens on vintage bags. This is very vintage. We have a Bordeaux interior in leather, and we have two pockets, one here with the zipper. We also have a sticker, guys, and it starts with a 2 or a 3. I can't read properly. I think it's a 3. You will have everything on the photo, but I think it's a 3 series. So this is kind of a vintage one, I have to admit. But this is such a nice one, and the price also is very good. We have a price of 1,499 euro, which is very low for this kind of bag. Okay, I want to go with something else. We're gonna move with the Dior pouch. This is a little pouch from Dior. This is also a vintage one. You can see it's a bit dirty on the outside, but you can get it clean, obviously, very easily. Inside is blue, dark blue leather. And the only thing about this one, I would say, and this is why the price is so low. Here it's detached. You could put some stitching here or some glue to attach again. You can bring this to Dior or whatever other brand who can repair like luxury bag. It's very small. It's not detaching fully because otherwise you have the stitching here, but if you want to do it, you can. And the price for this one is 149 euro, which is actually a very good price for this kind of item. Okay, let's go with this beauty, which is like an almost brand new item for a change in this video. So we have a dust bag. We have the dust bag for this one, and we have a Celine beautiful handbag inside hiding. I'm gonna try to remove the dust bag, and we have a trapeze Celine bag with the strap, which is actually very cool. We have a very nice grained leather. Okay, up. So we have a very nice grained leather. We have suede leather on the sides, always full black. We have a silver hardware. You have some little scratches on the front of here, but otherwise the bag is in very good condition. You have no scratches. The outside of the bag is perfect. Like it looks like new. Here you have the pocket where you have like the sticker with the serial number. It's on the front pocket. Up in the other way, we are going to open the bag. I love the opening of the bag. Which is cool with this bag is like you can close it with another zipper here. So this is like kind of a very safe bag. Inside is full black leather. We still have the sticker on the metal plates inside, and we have two pockets here. So this is actually such a very practical bag. I really like this one. It's very cute, it's very classical, but you can wear it all the time. So it's actually very nice. The size also is very good. And I'm gonna give you the price. You are going to be completely amazed. The price is 759 euros. So this is actually a super nice price for this kind of items. I'm gonna go for the last item I have here tonight. So we have a Louis Vuitton kind of tote. It's like a very big bag with very big and huge handles. This is going to be a very small price because it's also a damaged bag. You will see why. Otherwise, the Conda monogram is in a very good condition as always on the bags I sell. You have stains on the leather parts, but it's kind of normal on this type of bags. And this is what we like. This is a vintage one. Also here on this side. The only thing about this bag, I would say, is the handles. I think it needs to be changed, honestly, both of them, because here it was reattached with some glue. It looks like only on this side. It's weird. Only on this side. The other side, no. But it's still very sensitive, and the other parts were not fixed again. But it looks like it's not gonna be here forever. Like it's very sensitive. And the whole part of it, so I think it will need to be removed and changed. It can be very easily removed. It can probably be done by Louis Vuitton or some other brand who could do it, like other atelier. Anyway, the inside of the bag is huge and in very good condition. Like the inside looks almost brand new. We have the leather parts here with a certain number code, perfect condition. Caramelized leather parts, but the hardware is brand new. Like, yeah, this is insane. And you have a very deep pocket here also with no stain. So this is actually such a nice bag, and the price will be so low, so you can make the reparation easily, and it will be still like a very low price bag. The price is 349 euro. As I was saying, this is such a nice bag and such a nice price. I hope, guys, you enjoy my video. I'm very excited. Everything is available right now on the website. Be super quick. If you haven't subscribed yet to the newsletter, go on the website at early access. You put your email, and this way you will receive an email at 6 p.m. Paris time. And the video goes out at 6:30 p.m. So you have like before everyone else email with all the description photos of the items, and you can buy before everyone else. So be free to subscribe if you want it, and subscribe to this YouTube channel if you like the type of content I'm making. I have other videos if you want to watch. If you have any questions, just let me know. I'd be very happy to read you and to reply. And I'll see you to the next one on Sunday. Bisous, bye bye.